Hello friends, Namaste to the class number 3. In this class, we are going to solve the problem on mechanical translational system. I have taken the problem over here. So the objective of this problem is to write the mechanical network. Draw the mechanical network for the given system, and not only that one, we have to write the differential equations describing the given mechanical system. So this is the problem we have to solve today. So first I am going to tell you how to draw the mechanical network for the given system. Okay. So here, this is the mechanical system which is being given. So first you have to identify how many number of mass are there. How many number of mass are there? In this M1, M2. So there are two mass are there. If there is two mass is there, there will be two displacement, that is x1 and x2. So therefore, while drawing the mechanical network, first we need to represent the nodes. So you need to identify number of mass is equal to number of nodes. How many mass are there? There are two mass are there. Therefore, how many nodes will be there? Two nodes. So that is the first step. So this is node number 1, this is node number 2, x1 and x2. Now we need to check what are the things which is being connected to the node number 1 and node number 2. First I am going to consider node number 1, that is the mass 1. So there is a, to the node number 1, so there is a mass is there, so that I am going to represent it as M1. Okay, to this one, this node, so there is a K1. K1 is also associated with the M1. So therefore, there is a spring K1. Got this one? Next, there is a friction. This B1 represents friction between the mass M1 and the reference plane. So this dashed line, this is called as reference plane. Okay, so B1 represents the friction between the M1 and the reference plane. That can be represented on a mechanical network by this. So this is the what? B1. So these are the things which may be connected to the node 1. Not only that one, there is another two components are there, which are those B and K. This B and K is associated with both the masses, M1 as well as M2. Okay, whereas K1, B1 and M1 is represented with the reference plane. See, always the mass we are going to represent with the reference plane only. Mass will be represented with the reference plane only. This B and K is between the node 1 and node 2. So therefore I am going to represent like this. This is a B. And there is another thing is there. So this one is K. Okay. So these are the 5 elements which is connected to the node 1. Now let us come to the M2, mass 2. So there is a first one is mass. So there is a mass M2. It will be always with reference to the reference plane only. Next. So there is a, what else is there? So I forgot to write this one, right? B2 is also been given. So B2 is there, right? So B2 represents what? Is the reference plane, friction between the M2 and the reference plane. So this can be represented like this. So this is B2. Okay? And BK is already been represented. So everything is over. The another thing is there is a force F of T is applied to which one? M2. So therefore there is a node 2. So therefore this is a force, applied force F of T. Okay. Now you check once again whether we have represented all the elements or not. Okay. So to the node 1, mass 1 is there, B1 is there, and also spring K1 is there, and also the damper P and K. So these are the elements are there with reference to the mass 1. So that is been represented. And what else is there to the mass 2? B2, M2, F2, B and K. So everything So this is the mechanical network for the given system. Okay, so this is system. For this we are writing the mechanical network for this. I got this one. So next one is to write the differential equations describing the given mechanical system. So that is the second step. So if this problem may be given for 8 to 10 marks, in such case 3 marks will be given for this and remaining will be given for the differential equations, writing the differential equations. Okay, hope you got this one. So mechanical network is over. What is the next thing? We need to write the differential equations. See, after writing this mechanical network, we came to know how many nodes are there. There are 2 nodes are there. Which are those? X1 and X2. There are 2 nodes are there. Therefore, how many differential equations will be there? Therefore, there will be 2 differential equations. Okay. So therefore, I am going to write a differential equation at node 1. At node 1. Now I am writing the differential equation at node 1 as per the Newton's law. In the previous class, we discussed about the Newton's law. Applied force, okay, applied force is equal to the opposing forces. Which are the opposing forces here? So there is a F of M1, F of M1. Next plus F of B1, F of B1. Next plus F of K1. Next, what else is there? Next, F of B. Next, what else is there? F of K. Right? So these are the opposing forces at node 1. Got this one? So this is the what? As per the Newton's law. Applied force is equal to the opposing forces. Now we need to write the differential equation for this. Yesterday I told you how to write this one. Okay? So what is the applied force here? There is no applied force, that is equal to the 0. Next one, what is the F of M1? Mass is proportional to the acceleration. Here it corresponds to which node? X1. Therefore, this one will be M1 B square X1 by dt square. What this one? Next, F of B1. What is B means? Damper. Damper is proportional to what? Velocity. Therefore, this can be written as B1, right? Bx1 by dt. Next, K1. K is proportional to the displacement. So, therefore, this will be K1 x1 of t. Okay. Next, we have what? F of B. F of B means what? So this is a friction between the mass M1 and M2. Friction between the M1 and M2. So therefore, please pay attention. The differential equation can be written as what? This is a B d by dt of x1 minus x2. Okay, B into d by dt of x1 minus x2. Next, what else is there? We have a displacement f of k. So plus, I will write this. If I write here, it will just cut. So therefore, I am going to write here plus f of k. K is once again it is between the node 1 and node 2. Therefore, this will be k into x1 minus okay, so this is the differential equation for the node 1. I have written the differential equation for the node 1. I hope you understood. Now I am going to continue with the node 2. Now I am going to explain you with respect to the node 2. Okay, node 2. Just I am going to erase this. At node 2, okay, at node 2, applied force is equal to the opposing force. What is the applied force? F is the applied force. What is the opposing force? That is equal to. What are the things which is related to the node 2? So that will be F of M2, right? F of M2. Next there is a B2. F of B2. Next, so there is a B and K. So this is also associated with the node 2 only. So these two components are associated with both x1 as well as x2. So this will be plus F of B plus F of K. So this is as per the Newton's law. Applied force is equal to opposing force. So there are how many components are there? Totally 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 components plus there is an applied force. There are totally 5 components which is associated with the node number 2. Okay. Now, what is that? Is there is any applied force? Yes, the applied force is there. So therefore, I am going to retain this F. F will be there. Next, what is the differential equation for mass? Mass is proportional to the acceleration. So therefore, this will be written as m2 d square x2 by dt square. Because we are writing with reference to the node number 2. Therefore, it must be x2. Next, f of b2. b2 means what? It is proportional to the velocity. So therefore this can be written as b2 dx2 by dt. Next, what we have? F of b. B is associated with both the nodes x2 and x1. Now we are writing a differential equation for node 2. So therefore this will be b by dt of x2 minus x1. In the previous case we have done x1 minus x2. So that is with reference to the node 1. So what we are writing here with reference to the node 2. And this must be written as x2 minus x1. What is the next one? Component we have f of k. So this can be written as k into x2 minus x1. Okay, so this is the differential equation for the node number 2. Okay, so this is about the problem. So the problem they given that we have to find the mechanical network. We have written the mechanical network and we need to write the differential equation representing the mechanical system. So that is also being written. How many nodes are there? 2 nodes were there. So how many differential equations were written? We have written the 2 differential equations. Okay, I hope you got it. Thank you.